This is the Spyderco Para 3. This one just makes me want to Spidey flick it versus your standard flip. Come on now. Really? Oh my gosh. Spidey flick. See? It knows what it wants. Anyway, there you go. So this was the last one on display at Cabela's. And G10 handles. I think I paid, without looking at the receipt, $165 for it, which I understand the price has gone up on the PM2 and the Para 3 since their initial releases. But hey, I wanted a Para 3. A lot of that is because of Metal Complex and watching his videos and him telling me how he uses it as his EDC knife mostly. And he has a lot of, or handles a lot of high-end knives. And I'm sure he has a lot of them that he owns. But this is currently what I'm using on my after work and off days as I'm doing EDC testing with other knives. So, but this is it. The Spyderco Para 3. Okay, come on, for the camera. One flick. Oh my gosh. What am I doing here? Oh my gosh, forget it. Oh yeah, so there's a finger trail there too. Jimping.